Hey, it's Margie with the Asking Spot. This is an easy flip. I went to my local charity shop, found this frame, and it was kind of roughed up, but hey, it was worth it. Under $5, gave it a shot. Took it home, cleaned it, took it apart, scuff sand the frame, and then applied just a basic white paint. I used a chalk paint because that's what I had around, but I think you could use any white paint you have. Then, after that dried, I took apart a napkin and used only the decorative ply and one more ply because it actually was a little too see-through. I got these really cute napkins, by the way, from Tuesday morning. I applied these with the Mod Podge, although you could use polyacrylic or whatever. If you wanted, even school glue would probably work. Just kind of water it down a little bit. Then I put another coat on top of it all so it has a top coat, let it dry, put it back together, and voila! Thanks so much for watching The Asking Spot.